Hi, welcome to part 2 of molecular structures, and today we're going to be keep talking about molecular structures. So now we get to type 4, and our first one on the type 4 list is AX5, and this one has 5 bonding pairs. Its shape, we're going to delete the shape. We're going to delete the bonding angles, friend. We're going to delete the bonding angles because they will not be needed, and you're not expected to know these for these ones. So let's remove bonding angles, and if we really want to solve for it, just divide 360 by it. All right, we're going to delete this. All right, let's keep working with our 5 bonding pair. The shape would be trigonal, bipyramidal, and it looks like this: A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. X, 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 X. Next, we have 4 bonding pairs, 4 BP, and 1 lone pair. And we call that seesaw. And it's going to look like A, 1, 2, 3, 4, X, 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 with 1 lone pair. Next, we have 3 BP and 2 LP, and we call that T-shape. It's A in the middle, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 lone pairs, and 3 X's around it. Now next, we come to our type 5, which is AX6. Now AX6 will have 6 bonding pairs. If an AX, we're going to separate this 5 real quick. Right. Alright, so our first type of AX6 is when it has 6 bonding pairs. We call that octahedral. And that should look something like this: 3, 4, 5, 6. X, 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 X. Next, we have 5 bonding pairs and 1 lone pair, and we call that square pyramidal. And that will look like A in the middle, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2. Alright, and finally, we're going to have 4 bonding pairs and 2 lone pairs. We'll call that square planar. And it's going to look like A, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, X, 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 X. So these are all the molecular structures that we're going to teach. And if you see an element that matches one of these, or you look at the bonding pairs, 4 bonding pairs and 1 lone pair, it's going to look something like this. If I have 4 bonding pairs and 2 lone pairs, I would know it's going to look something like this. Or the other way around, if I see something like this, I know that's it has 4 bonding pairs and 2 lone pairs. These will be important in the future, so make sure you memorize these charts, as you'll be tested on knowing the shape. It's going to give you a shape. It's going to give you a compound. You're going to need to draw the shape and then name it. And the best way to do that is by memorizing the bonding pairs for each. So if you've memorized that 3 bonding pair and 2 lone pair is T-shape already, and you know how T-shape looks, then it should be this section of the test will be easy for you. Thank you for watching.